ones. Would you bring your special bunny?
Spider-Man. Oh, the red one's dead.
Would you find your special bunny and do it?
Yeah.
Whoa!
Please.
Jordan,
This guy can't do it.
oh yeah, it can. It's just the legs have to be a certain way. Ah, they're all stuck back here. Oh, Jordan.
What?
I think. Oh wait, never mind. I gotta change this red one.
Oh,
We're not all the way
Tip
dead.
him over. Whoa!
A whole swarm of hex bugs.
Yep, swarm. They
Who
call
wants
it.
to come upstairs with me?
No, we want to sit on here, Ashley.
Okay.
We love it down here.
Okay.
You can make them go backwards and straight.
upstairs, okay?
Oh, they're off again. Who turned them off again?
It's quiet.
Ashley must have. Hey, Lucas, I still have about 400 batteries left. You can control them if you want.
No.
After I'm going to stay out here.
Okay.
I just got makeup for some reason.
Who's going to control the insulin?